Hello guys, we are near the lake Doirani. We are on the northern side of the lake. We're going to collect some rocks. I have seen some beautiful pieces here. Come with me, rock hunting today. This is basalt, I'm guessing. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. What is this? Is this porphyritic basalt? Can anyone tell me? You see here? To me they're all pretty. I would pick most of them. Let's go further. The weather is cold here. The water is freezing, so you might see me shaking a bit. Pay no attention to this. We have pretty rocks to collect here. Would this be basalt and quartz lines or calcite lines? Can you zoom in? Pretty ones. Nothing special. There's tons of that here. How about agates? Can we find agates here? I don't think so. As you can tell, I'm new to this. Freezing. The water is freezing. Look what I got so far. My hands are cold. I'll put this in my pockets and we'll continue. See? You can find tons of these here. Look how pretty this is. Strange. I'm not going in there. Off it goes. All in one container and with water so you can see the colors clearly. Remember this one? Some I have collected really quickly because it was so cold. I was in danger of losing my cameraman. I don't know. Now look at this one. Orange and green. Look at that. Let's see. Here. Look. Looks like a sandwich. I showed you this, remember? It has a beautiful red color here. This one is different. You see this one? It's as if there's a tight rope around the rock. You see? Oh, there it is. There you are. No, that's not it. Wait, I'll find it. There you are. There it is. When it's dry, you cannot see this part here. Luckily, I picked it up from the water, so it was quite easy to spot. This place is so beautiful. I think I'll come again. I have not collected too many rocks. Look at that. This is the Bellet's Mountain. There's a beautiful hue on the water. It's kind of pinkish. Until the next time, be well and always smile.